Hey, hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the University of Phoenix and their competency-based education program, and I'm going to let you know if it's actually worth it or not. Those of you who've been watching my channel, you know that I love competency-based education because it allows you to prove to the school that you have knowledge or that you are ready to test out of a class. You can test out of classes, you can graduate way faster, and it saves you a whole bunch of money. So I love these programs. University of Phoenix just launched some competency-based programs, and I want to walk you through them and tell you whether they're worth it or not. So if that sounds good, then let's dive in.
Hi, I'm Ryan Swait, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how.
All right, so the first thing I want to do, let's just jump over to University of Phoenix's website, and I am going to show you their competency-based programs, okay? So we're going to go in here to degrees and programs, and as you can see, they have added a section called competency-based programs. We're going to click there, and they've got programs listed here, but we're just going to go see all competency-based programs, okay? Now, we're going to learn a little bit right here on their website about their competency-based programs, and I'm going to tell you something that's a huge red flag for me, okay? So we're going to scroll down here, and right here, how does CBE work? How does competency-based education work? They're saying this part is good, okay? Once ready, faculty can unlock competency-based assessments so you can demonstrate what you know and how to apply it. So this says once you're ready, you prove that you're ready to take an exam, and staff can unlock an exam and you can test out of a class, okay? That's good. That's what we want to see in competency-based education. But this is the red flag, okay? Take 3 to 4 courses at your own pace every 16-week period, okay? When they say at your own pace, that's good, okay? That is good. You can progress through course material at your own pace. You can test out of classes at your own pace, but 3 to 4 courses every 16-week period, that is a huge red flag. And I actually have reached out to the university and they have confirmed to me, you are only allowed to take 3 to 4 classes every 16 weeks. So they limit how many courses you can take per semester. That is absolutely what you don't want to see, because guess what? If you go through the traditional path, 3 to 4 classes every 16 weeks, it's really, you're not graduating faster. Yeah, you can progress through coursework more quickly and maybe spend less hours per day studying, but your graduation time's really not going to be faster because they cap you at 3 to 4 classes per 16 weeks, okay? Huge red flag. Most people that work with me to accelerate their college degrees try to finish 1 class every week, okay? That's an entire semester of college per month, and that's a pace that's achievable at a lot of different colleges and universities. So huge red flag for University of Phoenix competency-based programs. They limit you, okay? They don't actually allow you to graduate in less than a year like a lot of colleges and universities do. Now, another thing, they only have a couple of competency-based programs to choose from. An MBA, okay, a Master's of Health Administration, Master of Information Systems, and an RN in nursing, okay? So, like, that's it. Okay, that's not a very big variety, so that's another red flag. I don't love the school. And guess what? They kind of have a bad reputation, but I want to jump over to some data, okay? This is from the U.S. Department of Education. They give college scorecards to colleges and universities. Basically, what that means is they just share real data with you from the U.S. Department of Education. So it's really, really good information, okay? Here's some more red flags. Number 1, the graduation rate is 27%. University of Phoenix graduation rate is 27%. That's terrible. Absolutely terrible. They have an extremely high amount of students dropping out. Okay, the average annual cost, and this is after student aid. The average annual cost after student aid is $13,000 a year. That's way high for an online school, like really, really high for an online school. Okay, the next one, median earnings. Okay, how much money you're going to make after you graduate. Their median earnings for a college grad is less than $40,000 a year. That's terrible. Like absolutely terrible. Okay. Who wants to go to college and make 40 grand a year after they graduate? Red flag. Okay. And you can go through here and you can go through some more data. I'll leave this link down below in the description for you. Another red flag. This is something that I look at for all universities, and you really have to get creative with Google searches to find this information because it's not always in the same place. But this is scholarships.com. Okay. This data is really important to me. Okay. Graduation rate within 4 years, because colleges and universities, they all tell us it takes 4 years to graduate. Reality is that's not the case. The national average is more like 6 years, but there are universities that average faster than 4 years. Okay. Now, at University of Phoenix, average graduation rate, according to scholarships.com, is 0.4%. That's seriously so bad. Graduation rate within 5 years, 4.5%. Graduation rate within 6 years, 8%. Okay. This is terrible. Okay. Number one, you probably already know University of Phoenix just does not have a great reputation to begin with. But then when you add, let's have a competency-based program where we actually limit you and you can't graduate faster because you can only take 3 to 4 classes every 16 weeks. Then you can compare how much money the average graduate makes after they graduate and get a college diploma, 4-year graduation rates, all of it, tons of red flags. The point of this video is I want to tell you, if you're considering University of Phoenix, reconsider. This is, of course, my opinion. Maybe there are people out there who love the University of Phoenix. You can do some more research. It's whenever you're researching a school, you don't have to just take my word for it. Research and get data from lots of different sources. I've shown you some here in this video, but in my personal opinion, University of Phoenix is a huge waste of time and money, and their college degrees are not worth that much for your career. Okay. I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell, and you'll start seeing more videos of me teaching you how to earn college degrees way faster and save a whole bunch of money on tuition. If you'd like to learn how to finish an entire bachelor's degree in less than 12 months, as little as 6 months, I will leave a link down below to what I call my free degree hacking tutorial, where I walk through the 3-step process of degree hacking, how to accelerate a college degree and earn an entire bachelor's degree in months instead of years and save a whole bunch of money. I'll leave that link down below. You can go watch it for free, no strings attached. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.